Hello guys, Dev here, and today in this video we will go over the software profit resolution. Stay until the very end. I'll show you the profit resolution, ratings, reviews, pros and cons, pricing and upsells, as well as my honest opinion of profit resolution. Let's start it. What is profit resolution and ratings? Profit Resolution is a 13-in-1 business suite that offers you with everything you need to start or grow your business from a single dashboard. All 11 cloud-based business apps included in Profit Resolution include incredible ready-to-use templates that you can customize in minutes. List of ratings based by user experience. Profit Resolution is dashboard was good and easy convenient, so I gave 8.6 ratings out of 10. For the Click Extend and TV Profits is worth lead generating, I gave 8.4 out of 10. For the pricing, so that I gave 8 ratings out of 10 because you get 11 apps for one-time price. For value for money, so I gave 7 ratings out of 10 because some apps like Freebie Cash and Interaction is need to upgrade. For the profit conversion, it's easy for affiliate marketers and business owners, so I give 8 out of 10. So overall I gave 8.5 out of 10. Pros and cons and my personal opinion. Pros. Nothing to download or install. This Profit Resolution is entirely cloud-based AI software, so there is no need to download any large files. This is a massive benefit for small businesses, and the fact that this software has to include a restore backup option is an additional advantage for users. Profit Resolution came with built-in chart support, so you can easily boost your sales and managing support services. No restrictions. 100% newbie friendly, no technical skill are need. If you want to check the tutorial of this software, check the link in description. Cons. And you can't get the 24/7 customer support from the Profit Resolution team. Commercial license is limited time, so if you want to buy the Profit Resolution one, you need to pay upsell price. Profit Resolution pricing and upsells. Get Profit Resolution Commercial plus all upgrades for a low, one-time payment at $247. Profit Resolution Franchise Gold $167 one-time price. OTO 1 Profit Resolution Unlimited $67. OTO 2 Profit Resolution DFY Agency Tools $197. OTO 3 Profit Resolution Automation $67. OTO 4 Profit Resolution Limited List Traffic $97. Front-end Power Suite. With 11 profit-making apps, you can get the app list here. My honest opinion. Hopefully, my honest thoughts on Profit Resolution helped you in making your buying decision. And first and foremost, I've been using Sayadelic products and service for quite some time now and have been very pleased with the content and service they provide. Moreover, his profits and swirl are most trending top-selling one. Most interesting part is you can save more money by getting 11 business tool in one place. But I am not sure about the sales conversion. There is a high chances you get stuck and the leads are not well targeted. But if you're a beginner not having any knowledge about online marketings, and please don't touch this software. Because it's quite big investment for you, but if you are choose bundle package, I suggest you to go with front end and gather more knowledge as well on other side. For marketing professional, it's perfect friendly software and more convenient. I understand the decision of taking out $17 one-time price is not simply made, but this investment is profitable and for a sustainable business. If you have marketing knowledge. That's all for now, guys. If you want to buy the software, click the link I provided below the video, but read the entire sales page twice before doing so, and I give demo tutorial link also in this video description. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. In case any questions related to this software, just drop a comment, I'll reach you.